Join me as we head deep into the trails of Holcomb Valley for the annual Toyo Trail Pass in 2025. It's an epic off-road event packed with friends, family, modded trucks, and some of the best views Big Bear has to offer. I'm switching things up on the channel, stepping behind the mic to bring a fresh story vibe while keeping it real, raw, and authentic. What's going on, guys? We are here on a beautiful, chill Saturday morning. It's, I think, about 8 a.m., 8:30, about 70 degrees, almost hitting up that really nice and cloudy sky here in Riverside, California. I'm with the squad, and we're rolling to Holcomb Valley Ranch for the annual Toyo Trail Pass event. So this is my first sponsored event, and I'll be kind of going over who my sponsor is a little bit later in the video, but I thought it'd be cool to shoot the road trip, the whole trip on the way there, and maybe some off-roading, so stay tuned and we'll be right back. Joining us on this trip are some of my good friends and their own unique builds, which are pretty sweet. My brother from another mother is Chris. He has a 2021 Toyota Tacoma, and he's running a pretty good amount of plethora of modifications. He's got king suspension, raised wheels, Baja Design lights, everything, you name it. On the other side is another brother from another mother, which is my friend Josh. He has a 2006 Toyota Tundra. He's owned it since day one. It is a rear-wheel drive one, but he's done everything to this as well. He's got Bilstein 4600s, Camburg control arms, and some method wheels. On the other side of the spectrum is a friend that I've known for almost 2 decades. This is Carlos. He has a 2025 Toyota Tundra Limited 4x4 with some Auxbeam lightings, a TRD Pro grille, and rough country bed cover, which is pretty cool since it's brand new.
So how many people we got today?
I got 1, 2, 3, 5. All right, we're here. Didn't get to do too much filming on the back roads, but we're really hungry and we're gonna just set up camp.
Damn, how the fuck we got to where we started? This love don't fly, I felt when we started. This love don't fly, I felt when we started. Got me thinking so deep, I'm in my conscience. Got me doing these drugs that help me balance. I ain't tryna blame you, but this shit a challenge. I live my life like a kid with allowance. My life so fast, I need me.
Okay, let's talk about Toyo's Trail Pass. The cool thing is that it's 100% free, there's no fees and no deposits. They give about $20,000 in giveaways, and they also have big name vendors like Ibach, Bradley, and they also have some cool RC off-road demos. It's family friendly as well, so there's like workshops, raffles, and they even give the kids s'mores, which is pretty sweet. The Holcomb Valley campground, the great thing about it is it's typically like a gated private ground that costs over $100 a night just for your group. And they have great trails and views in every single direction. Now, it did get cold. It's like 40 degrees at night, and heads up as well, bring a porta potty or like one of those private bathrooms, because there was not that many. Over 3, 2, 1. We're back at Toyo Trail Pass. This is 2025, so first year, and went with the family. It's been good so far. It's a little smaller than I anticipated, but it's really cool that they're out here giving people, you know, free stuff and doing a workshop class, and also having snacks and foods out available for everyone. So we'll see what the rest of the day looks like for us. All right, catch you soon. Around 4 o'clock, Carlos and I decided to kind of roll out and hit some trails while everybody was at the Toyo Tire event and settling in. We were on crunch time. Literally, the gate closes at 6:30, so we had from 4:30 to 6:30 to get back in time. If not, they're gonna close the gates on us.
How the fuck we got to where we started? The love don't feel the same like when we started. Should've known that shit was not real when it started. Yeah, everybody fake this shit retarded. My back to the wall, my back to the wall. Can't fuck with the dirty little hoes, these bitches be hurting me up. Can't put my trust in no hoe, hell nah, no problem. I passed that bitch my
up at like 40-degree temperature. We woke up, got ready, made some breakfast, packed up, and we rolled out. Yeah, unfortunately Josh and Chris decided to be Mijas and they left early on Sunday, but Carlos and I got to hit Foskins, so we went through Holcomb Valley, then to Foskins, and looped right back to Big Bear, which was pretty sweet. Came out and we're just gonna zip tie it because one of the screws came out. Simple fix for now. Making a disgusting rubbing noise. Yeah, so I need new clips. You think that'll hold it, huh?
Yeah, it should hold it.
From scraping?
I'm gonna fold it in.
This is Carlos, aka Master Tech, aka Toyota Tech, aka. During our awesome off-roading time, unfortunately my fender liner came out and broke one of the screws, so I was just rubbing straight on the tire. It sounded like ass. Then I got it fixed. Luckily Carlos gave me a zip tie and I was able to tie it in. Well, he was actually, if you saw in the video. And then we went to Carl's Jr. and I was hoping that was kind of the end of my problems, but on the way down the hill to Highland Park, my truck started acting up. The speed sensor failed and it said something, you know, along the lines of my transmission fluid being low because I'm an idiot. So I have a check engine light. Let's see if you can see me. I have a check engine light for probably my speed sensor that happened in Texas, so we're gonna work on taking off the battery before we keep going down. Well, Isabel's sick, so we're still in Big Bear and we're on our way out. Oh,
Someone drew a heart on his truck.
Oh my gosh. Did you ever put them together? Yeah, it sucks. But anyway, well, we see if this is gonna fix it. We're pretty much done with the trip. You know, big shout out to Auxbeam, to the family, and Toyo was great. It was a good time. I don't know, did you do it again?
Yeah, I'll do it again for sure.
I'd do it too. I mean, it's not that expensive. I think maybe cost me $120 in gas, $70 total for the whole family to eat, and then, you know, maybe like another $30 for miscellaneous stuff. It's total like $200 plus trip. It's honestly not that expensive. Well, we made it to the bottom of the hill, which was Highland Park, Autozone. Pretty hood, not gonna lie, but we got some transmission fluid, which was great. Carlos was super helpful in helping me out. Luckily, he's a tech, so he knew everything. And we got the transmission fluid in, and it works better than ever. We did some cold starts, hot starts, and everything worked out better than I had it before. He is awesome. All right, I am officially done here. I think we're done. I'm gonna call it out with the trip. We just did 4 quarts of the synthetic loop soil, and we're at the hot mark, so that's good. So I think the off-roading and a lot of the driving probably made my fluid low, which gave me the check engine light. And we're gonna test it out for another couple of days to see what it does, but I'm really glad that it didn't happen while we were on the trip, like in the middle, or we got stuck somewhere. So this truck has been great.
Right at the top.
That's freaking awesome. So I'm signing out. That's it for me, guys. Bye. Look, my final thoughts is the Toyo Trail Pass was everything I hoped for. Just an hour and a half away from home in amazing weather, beautiful trails, good friends, and even better vibes. I'm already planning to make it a yearly tradition. If you've never been, I highly recommend checking it out, and it's open to anyone. It's free, and it's one of the most welcoming communities I've had to be a chance to be a part of. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you enjoyed this video. And let me know if you want to see more voice narrated stories like this one. Alright guys, see you on the next trail.
I just pulled up, I got some new shit. I just pulled up, I got a new beat. My bitch shit, but I bought a bracelet. I stuck it on my necklace. I pull up and shake shit.